Hello friends, this is Dhruvi here. So guys, if you are seeing my video for the first time, then hi, this is Dhruvi here and this is completely random video. Yeah, if you guys must be following me since a long time, you guys can connect with me. So yes, I have this really long hair. You guys can see. Wait, I'll show you. See, yeah, okay, I'll sit here for the last time maybe. Yeah, okay, so I have such long hair and I don't have any cuts except this flicks on my hair. So after long 6 months of thinking, I finally decided to have a haircut and just give a new look to my face with a haircut and maybe hair color. Yeah, and I was thinking, if you guys know, if you follow me, you must be knowing I don't like to experiment on my hair. But since I was experimenting little things since last few days, like a hair mask and all those stuffs, so I decided to let's have a haircut and give a new look, since I am bored with this same look, same face cut and same haircut. So I just want, and there is my friend's wedding, my cousin's wedding, and wedding season. So I thought, why not this time? I hope it looks good. And I'm thinking to cut it short this much. Yes, I don't know how it will look, but hopefully it looks best. And I'm really nervous. Like, this is the first time I'm going to have a haircut. Like seriously, a proper wala haircut in my hair. Always what I do is I just trim it from down or just give a flicks. So hopefully it looks good. I'm really nervous and I'm really gonna miss my this hair. Like shit, what if it doesn't suits me, or what if I am not like used to, like I'm not used to that short hair. So मुझे नहीं पसंद आया या फिर I don't know. I'm really nervous. Hope for the best. Yeah, let's go now. And next video clip, like maybe within 1 or 2 hours, my hair won't be this. So yeah, I feel like crying, but really I need a haircut now, because since you won't believe, like 12 to 15 years I am having same hair length, same haircut, same everything. So my face is also looking same since last many years, so it's needed now. So guys, please, if you are going to comment that nahi long hair अच्छे लग रहे थे, then please don't comment. Just yes, I know it is looking nice, it is great, but it's just change is needed after some time. So this is also needed and I want to do it. Yeah, shit, it's like double thought. I want to do it, I want a haircut, I want a new look, but what if I miss my this hair? Because this is really amazing. Like, I am loving this hair, everyone loves this hair, but yeah, yeah, just let's go. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, first he started cutting my hair and we were seeing like how much length should I cut and how much length do I need. Asked me the color to select for my highlights, and then I selected this color, that is dark golden, very light brown, and he gave me a patch test first, and then after that we decided to color whole my hair, like do highlights on my whole hair. Like it took almost 3, 4, 5 hours and like he took 24 strands of my hair and he colored really very patiently. And then finally my hair turned out this way and it looked really amazing. Like I really liked it. It's really nice. Guys, it's ready and I have cut it short and he did everything. His name is Alam and he colored my hair, he cutted my hair and it's superb. It's really nice. Okay guys, finally I have cut short my hair. Yes, finally I did it guys. Shit man, I can't believe, seriously I did it. It is short, like now literally they are short. Yes, I am not at all missing my long hair. I'm loving this short hair. Like there are so much benefits. I can wash my hair really soon. I can comb my hair really soon. I don't need a lot of time to comb my hair. I can flip this way my hair, which I haven't ever done in my life. So yeah, it's amazing. And I just can keep my hair open always. Yeah, so I just love this. And the next thing is that I have cut it in layers, feather, whatever you called it. I just went and said cut whatever you like it, but it should give a new look and I should like that hair, like a lot of cuts and all the stuffs. Yes, it is styled right now, like thoda curls kiya hai. So yeah, so it is looking like good, but you guys know my hair are naturally really straight, very straight. So once I wash my hair, I don't know how will it look. Like वो layers दिखते ही नहीं है in my straight hair. But yeah, but right now I'm loving it. I'll wash my hair and you guys can see in my other videos, I'm not gonna curl always, obviously. So you can see my straight hair in my other videos, so do subscribe for that and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Yes, colors are also seen. I cut it yesterday. Yesterday it wasn't visible that much, but right now it is quite visible. Okay, it took me almost 5 hours. I went at 4:30 and I returned at 10:30. Yes, the salon has done really great work. This is not a sponsored. This is something my own review. The stylist have done really great work. And the best part is that he was very patient. He was patiently doing his work on my hair. I was getting impatient, but he was like doing his great work very patiently and nice. I just loved it. It is amazing. Like the colors are really flattering on my hair. And I just loved it. I have done it for the first time, experimented my hair and I just loved it. So if you guys are thinking just like me, just go and experiment. But if you guys are small, don't do it. I'm doing it because I finished my college, I finished my school and then I thought of doing it and then I thought 6 months and then I did it. So if you guys are in school, don't do it. Just protect your hair for right now so that you can use your hair like nicely once you grow up. So yeah, I just loving it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm just loving this hair. It is amazing. Okay, I won't exaggerate a lot, but yes, this happens if you do anything for the first time. Yes, you guys must be doing it frequently, or maybe cutting your hair frequently. Yes, I used to cut, but I used to just trim every month, like नीचे से थोड़ा सा trim कर दिया just to give a straight line and to remove the split ends. But I cut it this way for the first time, and even I colored for the first time, so I am little more excited and little more loving this hair. But yeah, first time hota hai, that's what I feel, and you must enjoy and you must love everything. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye, see you in next video. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Do let me know in the comment section, like my previous hair were amazing or my this hair are looking nice. Do let me know in the comment section. So yeah, I'll definitely reply those replies on my comments. Like I will definitely reply your comments in the comment section. Yeah, you guys can connect me on Instagram and Snapchat as well. Yeah, bye bye.